Welcome to Sequential Training Academy. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of submitting your learner application. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to our official website at sequentialtraining.com. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the learner application page by clicking Learner Application in the Apply Now menu or going directly to this link. This is where your academy adventure officially begins. Before you begin, please note that a non-refundable application fee of 100 rands is required to process your application, unless otherwise instructed by our team. You will need to upload a few supporting documents at the end. Let's look at the first section, Personal Details. Here, fill in your first name, surname, and select your preferred title from the drop-down menu, which includes Miss, Mr., Mrs., Miss, Max, or Doctor. Next, type in your full street address, along with any apartment or suite numbers, your city, province, postal code, and select your country from the comprehensive list. Follow this by entering your phone number and your primary personal email address. Because our learning involves online access, you will need to answer 3 quick questions regarding your setup. First, do you have access to reliable internet access? Select yes or no. Second, do you have a suitable device to attend online classes, read learning materials, and work on assignments remotely? Select yes or no. Finally, rate how confident you are in using online tools and applications like Google Meets, Gmail, and Google Docs on a scale of 0 to 5. Next. Input your date of birth and your ID or passport number. Choose your gender and your population group. If you choose Other, please specify it in the next box. Then, select your home language from the drop-down, choose your citizenship status, and indicate if you have a disability. If you answer yes, please provide details of your disability and any reasonable adjustments or support you might need. Now, provide the emergency contact details for your next of kin. Enter their name, your relationship to them, their phone number, and their email address. Moving on to course information. Please note that classes commence once the minimum number of required learners is reached. First, select the program type, either an Occupational Certificate, an Occupational Skills Program, or a Bespoke Course. If you choose a Bespoke Course, provide the details including the course title and the company funding your training. Depending on your selection, use the next drop-downs to choose the specific Occupational Certificate or Occupational Skills Program you wish to enroll in. Next, select your preference for class times, either business hours or after hours. The form will display your course fee, VAT inclusive, as well as the course length in months for both full-time and part-time studies. Then, answer how will you be paying for the course fees? By selecting either self-funded or funded by a SETA or bursary. Please read through the declaration and terms carefully. This includes rules regarding course changes, cancellations, and joint responsibility if you are under 21. You will also see a section on the Protection of Personal Information Act, POPIA. Check the box to acknowledge and consent to our responsible handling of your data. Once you have read everything, sign your name directly into the signature block using your mouse or touch screen. We are almost done. Now you need to upload documents. Make sure each file is clearly labeled with your first name, last name, and the type of document. Click Choose File to upload your CV, a certified copy of your ID or passport, and a certified copy of your highest qualification. Remember, certifications must not be older than 6 months. Now you can submit your application. Once your application has been successfully processed, you will receive a confirmation email and a copy of your application from the learner support team. And that's it. You have now completed your application and ready to begin your learning journey with us. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to contact us at learnersupport@sequentialtraining.com. Welcome to Sequential Training Academy,